Okay. We're going to the beach. Let's go!
I really wonder why I fool myself again and again. Cause I sit here crying when you're out with someone else.
Mga taga-saan nga kayo, sir?
Tayabas, galing sa amin yan.
Volleyball.
Nakaapak ng sea urchin si Daddy.
When you're coming back, I'll be holding you in my arms again. Cause I feel more alive whenever you are close to me. And I want you here with me when it's 3 AM. Though I wish I didn't care for you.
Okay. We're going to the beach. Oh, yun lang yun. Tapos let's go. Transition lang yun. Tapos let's go. Pero napuyat ako kaiisip ng script na yun. Let's go. We're going to the beach. Let's go. Oh, tapos yan. Transition. Oh, ay, nag-play pa pala. Let's go!